Hey guys, and welcome to KnitCrate. In today's video, we're going to go over our April KnitCrate, and I'm really excited about this. Last month, I was not super duper excited because they went down from two skeins down to one. I'm kind of anxious to see if they're going to keep up with that or if they're going to change that. They're probably going to stick with it because it's probably just their new model and how they're doing shipping now. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get right to it. So, oh, there are two skeins. So, well, that's checked off my list number one. I'm going to move this because I always go crazy with how it says ready for my close-up and then it just ends up flapping in the wind for forever. Yeah, no, that's going to keep flapping. Alright, let's take things out. Got the same wrapping paper as last time, so they're shipping. I think they're getting pretty consistent with their wrapping. It's green. I always seem to get the green and the blue. I remember checking online on the Ravelry to check out the preview for the next month. I was actually really excited. They had this, and there's another one that's red, I believe. KnitCrate Inspirations. Ooh, she's got red nails. I think that goes off of, like, yeah, so, like, these are all the different colors that they had, the colorways that they had for this month. This is the red one. I think they called it Ladybug because it's like the theme was entomology, which is the study of bugs. Not to be confused with etymology, which is the study of words and origins of words and stuff like that. So, yep, red. This one was, let me see, we have an amazing community on our Ravelry group, so that's exactly what I was just talking about. So different patterns available online, theme and inspirations, entomology, and yeah, the ladybug is the one that I was really excited about. But I do tend to work more with blues, so that's not a criticism. Look at how cute that little larva is. He's cute. Is he a caterpillar? Leaf eater. Inspired by the tobacco hornworm, a caterpillar that is pretty to look at but pesky in the vegetable garden. So that's what this one is based off of. I like him. The ladybug one would be pretty too. Oh, what is this one? Shield bug. Oh, so there's a third one. This is the sock shop one. So for the typical average one, the normal membership, you get the choice. They send you either the ladybug or they send you the hornwood one. And for the sock one, they were going to send out the shield bug color. That's really pretty. I wonder if they're all fairly consistently dyed for that dye lot. Looks like a little praying mantis right there. He's cute too. But yeah, there's just all these, this yarn retails for $24 USD for the sock yarn, and $26 per skein, and it comes in the two colors. So these are usually $26 each. They're really quite soft. I am a fan of them. They're very, I wouldn't say it's very reminiscent of the leaf eater bug. It's very mint colored, which I guess he is kind of, but he's got like more darker hues to him, I think. But either way, for a colorway, that's pretty impressive. This is by Audine Wools, and this is again an exclusive from KnitCrate. Let me see, Audine Wools, Psy DK. I wonder if I can get that to focus in any decent way. Not really. Colorway Leaf Eater, 85% merino wool and 15% cashmere. It's a DK weight. I thought so. It was pretty thin. 302 yards, but there's two of them, so that's 600 yards. Make a really pretty, like, baby sweater. I say that with all these, like, all my KnitCrates. This could be a baby sweater. Suggested needle size US 3 or 5, or 3.25 or 3.75 millimeter. Care, hand wash only, all the normal bits and odds and ends. This is really pretty. You can definitely tell, you can feel the cashmere in here. It's super soft and super nice, and honestly, I'm really excited that I got sent two this month. I wonder why they did the one last month, if that was just like a transitional thing, or whether or not some months you're going to get one and some months you'll get two, depending on the supply. But I'm very excited. I really enjoyed this one. Let's see what the patterns were for this. So this is Chrysalis. I'm trying to get it so that it doesn't show, like, so Chrysalis is really quite pretty. This is their crochet pattern, and I'm not going to show you the image for that. This is also more of Chrysalis. I might try to find this picture for, like, my thumbnail. And then there's Canopy. This one's the knit one. It's got a really pretty stockinette / lace design for this shawl, and it's quite pretty. And so these come with patterns. Let me see if it comes with the sock pattern. I'm curious. Ooh, that's pretty. I like whatever that is. Let me see what that says. Blush Fiber Co. sock. So this is the sock company, I believe, that did the other one. But that's really pretty. The camera is not showing the... It's very green. So the light's not coming off on that really well. But it's really quite pretty. And I like their logo. That's very simple but cute. Let me see. Oh, so that's kind of like an additional pattern too. Okay, so Undergrass is the sock yarn, and they have charts in here as well, so if you get confused, there's charts, but I like how they do the two-tones. I've always liked two-tone socks. Pain in the butt, but they're really pretty. This one's called Undergrass by Stephanie Voyer. So these are very pretty, and it comes with this, and honestly, I'm pretty excited with how this month was. I'm excited for May. So a theme peek for next month is Farmers Market. They have a lot of, like, as you can see, some, like, just a lot of produce and a lot of cute things like that, and I just love the colors on that one. It's really cute. So that's pretty much all there is to this KnitCrate. I liked this one a lot. It was really nice. It's very soft. If they continue doing the 2 skeins, I'd say this is 100% totally worth being sent your KnitCrate. I'm very excited with actually picking these up on some needles. I'd probably knit this versus crochet it, because when it comes to smaller thread yarn, I'd rather knit that versus crochet it, because picking it up with a hook is kind of a pain in the butt, in my opinion. I'm not a big fan of smaller gauge yarn. So yeah, we have tutorials all over our channel. If you're new to us, I just recently came out with this cute cactus guy. It comes in 3 sizes, so if you're interested in those kinds of things, go ahead and look down below. Everything is going to be down in our description. Next week, I'm going to be coming out with what I call Baby Luna. So I've got all these big Lunas that I've been making and I've been doing patterns for, which I might post some pictures up over here. But this Baby Luna is actually going to be something that I do a pattern for on our channel. It's going to be my first for sale pattern that I'm going to do a YouTube video for. So if you're interested in that, tell me down below what you think. I made him a cute little scarf. He matches his Mama Luna, which is a bear as well. I named them Ursa. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification button to let you know when our little baby Ursa's coming out. Alright. I love this. This is really pretty. Until next time, guys. Bye!